you will see. So this is your account. It's raklet.com slash vitality clinics. I hope I pronounced that correctly. You have a news feed here that you can publish posts and any updates about the organization. Just make this smaller here. And then you can organize events. So if you're organizing online or offline events, you can publish them here, sell tickets, and collect RSVPs. Um, it looks like you enable to social network. Do you want your patients and members to see each other and engage with each other? Okay, so we have a membership directory here, so they can click on the profiles, they can send messages if it's enabled on that person's settings, and I can click and see where they worked or where they studied, and I can simply just like click to see like who else is working or living in that city, right? Um, so on the membership side, we can integrate with Facebook and Instagram, so that like if you have people there, we can promote certain things on the both platforms. And on the membership side, I'm a logged in member right now, right? So I'm already logged in. As you can see, I have my profile here, my payments, tickets, and all my settings in one place. And I can choose one of these plans and add my card and start my monthly subscription. And once I do this, it's going to create a digital membership card with a QR code, so that they can present this card when they come to your facility. And if I just go to this URL on a private window, so let's go here. There will be a login and sign up links, right? So if I click on become a member, I can apply and add my info and make my payment and then become a member that way. So let's say Michael at Raklet.com. Michael Jordan is applying here, right? And then apply. I'm not sure if you have the credit card form enabled here. Let's see. If it's enabled, then we are going to see the credit card form. It looks like it's not enabled yet. And once it's enabled, I can enter my card similar to this flow, and then you can verify my information and approve. Do you want to approve your members automatically if the payment is successful, or do you want to just like verify the info first? Okay, cool. So I couldn't hear, but if there's a question, please interrupt me. Um, so this is the admin panel. It looks like you have four contacts here. You can see all your payments. You can send emails. You can send, text messages on the platform. We can build a custom mobile application for you, both iPhone and Android, and then you will be able to send push notifications as well. Um, and you have all the modules enabled on the left-hand side. So you have the contact CRM. We can copy and paste from Excel and create and import all your contacts into the platform. You can send them emails, newsletters, automate like membership renewals and reminders and different sorts of emails here. Um, you can manage events, memberships again, and the social network side, right? So I'll simply start with the membership side. This is where you can create all the membership plans, and then you can update the application form. It looks like you customized the digital membership card already, so let's check it out. All right, so you have the name, ID, utility. All right, perfect. So you can change the background color if you want, or if you can just like have different styles, fonts, and colors for this card as well. And on the application form, um, which information, what type of information do you need? Do you need their birth date, or do you need some other information, or just first name? No, you have full control here, right? So you can add an agreement here. You can add your terms and conditions, right? You can add your benefits, and you can just like make them accept all all this info at the time of the sign up. And also you can pick and choose the fields, right? If you need their, for example, birth date, you can include this on the form. Or if you need them to, I don't know, add their blood type, right? So you can add this. Or if you need a custom field, what was the question you asked? Some sort of field you were looking for? Hmm. Okay, medical question, say yes or no, right? And what you can say here is it's a Boolean, and then you can say this is drop down or radio buttons, totally up to you. I'll say drop down, add an option, yes, and you can add another option, no, right? And this can be visible and can be editable by contacts. So if I add this question here, I can also enable the application form, the credit card form. And if I say save, we can go ahead and check out this form here. Now you can see your question here, right, with the label. You can have all these system fields. There's the membership tab, and your terms of use is also listed here, right? So they have to accept this. And there's a summary of benefits and terms on the right-hand side. So the application form itself is really flexible. Mhm. At any time. You have full control on the admin panel. I think let's see who is on the platform. Oh, so if you go to membership, you can click on the applications and see all the applications here. So Michael Jordan's application is approved automatically because you probably enabled that, right? Auto approvals are enabled. All right, perfect. Um, So like you can see all the applications here, which information they put in. You can export all these application info. You can take a look at all the subscriptions, all the payments. We can automate all the membership reminders for you. So if they don't pay for 5 or 10 days, we can send them emails. If they don't pay after a certain amount of time, we can cancel their membership, right? So it's all automated. You just need to set it up once, and the system will take care of everything. If they have the card on file and they opt in for automatic renewal, then this card will be charged right away. If not, the system will send an email saying that, hey, your payment is due, please make a payment, right? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Currently, I think you are using the custom connect feature of Stripe on our platform. We might be able to use your existing Stripe account as well. I need to engage the engineering team. I think they were working on it this week. So if it's ready, then we might be able to connect your Stripe account as well. Yep. So it's totally up to you. That's a great question. So like I'm gonna be adding a subscription on my account here. So just as an example, right, I'm going to be a protein program. Let's say I started, let's choose a date, January 1st. And then the system will issue an invoice for the first month. And since there is no payment, my balance due is negative right now. And if I go to the members area, I can see my card and I can show this to you when I come on site. And you can simply use your phone's camera, right? If you use your phone's camera, you can scan this one, and then this will open the admin panel and my profile on the admin panel, your member's profile. And this can go into the Apple Wallet as well, right? So if they're using an iPhone, they don't. You can scan Android app. You can also do that. You can use an iPad. You can use, I don't know, anything with a camera, right? Any smart device, like a tablet or a phone or a laptop. Exactly, exactly. Mhm. Oh, it takes you to this page. This is the admin panel and my profile, right? Once you scan the QR code, it's going to open up the page of that person. And then you can see their balance clearly. You can see if they need to make any payments. You can click on settings and see if this person has a card on file, right? So you can add a card if it doesn't exist. And if you go to the, Mhm. Oh, mhm. Eh, Exactly. So there are different ways to handle this. So there's a timeline, right? You can add a note or a file here saying that, hey, they use this much. And you can also create custom fields. So there are a bunch of system fields here, like you can simply remove them. And you can create another custom field, right? Number of check-ins this month. And this can be zero or something, or you can have multiple ones. Um, Another one would be just using events. So maybe you're going to have an event for each month, right? Monthly check-ins, and you can check them in several times for that month. So I'm not sure which one is going to work out for you best, but like you can choose one of those options. And if none of these options are a good fit for you, then I can just engage our engineering team and they can build a solution that you want exactly, right? So there are no technical limitations on that end. Mhm. Microsoft Azure Cloud. So it's on Microsoft's cloud services databases. All of our infrastructure is on Microsoft. It's it's all online. If you want, I can come by there. I don't know, where are you based? Texas? Uh, I'm currently in Europe. Um, yeah, exactly, right. Maybe after the this COVID-19 thing is over, maybe I'll do a trip. But anyway, like we can just do a video call, right? And we also have a help center here. If you go to the resources, we have a bunch of videos as well, importing, and different things on the platform. And also there's a help center with a lot of questions, and there are case studies and product updates that you can check out. And help center has everything here. And when you have questions, just click on this yellow chat button here and send us a message. Like one of our team members, they'll respond as soon as possible. And like our average return time is 24 hours. And if you choose one of the premium plans, then we will do a setup initial call, and then we can set everything up for you in the beginning. It looks like you're on the professional plan right now. Are you doing a trial here? I think you're in a free trial. Yeah, yeah. So you're on a free trial until February 4th. So after that, it's going to be $119. If you choose the annual billing, then you get a little bit more discount. It's going to be $99 per month. And if you choose to go with the premium plan, then you can use the custom domain feature. So instead of saying, hey guys, just go to raklet.com/whitehealthyclinics, you can say, hey, go to our vip.whitehealthyclinics.com, and then you can just start using that brand name. And we can also build a mobile application for your members. So this is an example here, items, craft work, hospitality. So everything that I showed you on the web, it works on our iPhone and Android apps. And if you want to have your own logo in the App Store, we can also do that, right? We can build your app on the App Store. Hopefully this will work. Any other questions? Just chat. Like we respond in a couple hours at most. Yeah, in the worst case scenario, 24 hours. And we can fix anything like you might need here. And if you want to import your contacts, just I can share a link with you. So there is a template. If you just follow that template, you can easily import, copy and paste all your contacts. And if you have a sheet already, Excel sheet, just send it to support@raklet.com, and we can take a look at it and verify all the data is accurate, I mean, in the right format, and then we can import it for you. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Like it's just copy and paste. Like if you have it handy, just send it to me right after this call at support@raklet.com. I'll take a look at it, and we can easily import that for you. When do you want to launch this membership program? All right. Mm-hmm. Yeah, if you are interested in the custom branded application for iPhone and Android, it takes at least 2 weeks on our end to develop. And then I like the app stores for Apple and Google Play, they take sometimes like 1 to 3 weeks. So if you're going to that route, then we need to get started sooner than later. But our apps are free. So I can also share this one with you right after the call. So the branded Raklet apps are free. And if you want your own branded application, it's $249 per month. So add-ons here. Yeah, it's 149 for iPhone, 149 for Android. If you want them both, it's 249. Exactly. Exactly. So like we will be maintaining your app, and like we will be releasing updates. If Apple releases the dark mode, then we will support dark mode, right? If the new iOS version is out, then we will make patches and fix it. So it's a pretty hands-on like a development here for the custom branded app. But Raklet app is free if you want to go that route. Mhm. We just need to add coupon codes. Right now, coupon codes are available for events. So if you're organizing events, they can enter the code and get the discount. For memberships, you have different drop downs, right? And you can create a new plan, let's say gold special for March, and instead of 69, it's 49, right? So they can choose that option here. You can show and hide different plans on this form. Yeah. And if you want to have like special coupon codes, then there will be another option, like on the payment page, there will be a coupon code input, and they just need to type in that code, right? Um, but the coupon code for membership flow, it doesn't exist right now. But like we can build it. It will probably take a day or two, in my opinion, but we never got there. Like you can, sure. You can use this as your CRM, right? So like if you have hundreds of people like use buying bars, doing some different treatments, and like you can structure all your business around Raklet. So our database is really flexible. I think it's frozen here. Can you still hear me? Hi, can you hear me?